If you're new to this channel, basically what we do is we host speakers in Vancouver. We host public speakers like Jordan Peterson and Ben Shapiro, and then we take that footage and upload it here so you can be part of the audience. The University of British Columbia has canceled our event with Andy No. If you don't know what I'm talking about, our organization president booked journalist Andy No to fly to Vancouver and give a lecture on Antifa violence. And in the ultimate form of irony, the school caves in and cancels due to their fear of Antifa violence. This cancellation is a big blow to us because we rely on creating these events and growing our audience online. There's this new trend in Canada of public institutions unilaterally canceling events with people like Megan Murphy with the Vancouver Public Library and recently at SFU, and now with Andy No at UBC. In this specific case, you have a public institution that feels so unsafe that they're willing to breach contract and their civic duty and cancel the event. If these protesters are truly violent, both in their threats and in action, by caving in, all you're doing is emboldening domestic terrorists. But if they are peaceful, it should be noted that the Free Speech Club supports peaceful protesting. We've protested ourselves for Hong Kong. We support it. We think it's important. We think it is you exercising your right to disagree with the person we are platforming. That's fine. The moment you feel like someone else's speech or someone else's rights are offensive to you, and so offensive that you now have the right to be violent and to harm others, that is where we must draw the line as a society. And that is where UBC, as a public higher educational institution, must draw the line. UBC is a public venue, and they have denied a confirmed booking from our organization. That sets a precedent that the Vancouver Public Library could follow and other public institutions could follow. So the only way to really fix this is to fight them legally. And that means they either rescind their cancellation or we take them to court and create a legal precedent that protects free speech in this country. It'll protect people like Megan Murphy, who's on the left and wants to host events around the city on feminism. She should have the right to do that in public spaces, just as we should have the right to host journalists like Andy No. Protesters will continue to protest either way, but universities must abide by the laws of the land. In the end, it is the fault of UBC either way, and action needs to be taken immediately. We are incredibly lucky to be represented by the JCCF, otherwise known as the Justice Center for Constitutional Freedoms. If you're not familiar with them, the Justice Center for Constitutional Freedoms is a law firm that represents people like me and other groups that want to protect free speech. They are a pro bono, donations-based law firm, and they're doing incredible work in Canada. Everything they do is pro bono, which means it's for free. It's all donations-based. So if you're watching this, the one thing I have to ask you is to please go to the link below and support the Justice Center because they do absolutely amazing work. Our goal at the end of the day is to get UBC to rescind the cancellation. The day you have a publicly funded institution, a university, a world-renowned university, saying, hey, we literally don't think we can secure this because these people are that violent, that is a really important and dangerous situation to be in. And something needs to be done. The school needs to do something. So with that said, we hope you can stand with us. We hope you can stand with free speech, with the Justice Center, and hopefully we can get a good legal precedent that applies to all Canadian campuses. We'll keep you updated on the days to come.